You want to get to the good parts. Parts to manufacturing. To the best parts of your job. But a lot can get in the way. Between supplier selection, procurement, inventory management, kitting, and manufacturing, you need a system of action to support you and your systems of record. Keep on track and on time with Cofactr. Leverage industry-leading data to help select parts and design confidently. Procure based on demand, with a complete view of the realities of your manufacturing needs. Cofactr's Doc.ai automates vendor communication from quote through delivery, so you can stay informed and strategic. View inventory and initiate kitting and shipments to your manufacturing partners. And do it all across your direct spend, keeping financial and planning systems up to date. Better decisions, better results, way less hassle. Cofactr lets you get to the good parts.